Yeah, go.
I'm gonna eat 10 watermelon here.
Warheads.
Airheads.
Warheads.
The airheads.
Yeah.
Wow.
Airheads aren't that hardcore. He only counted the one. I don't even know what number he's on.
You can't really count now. One more.
Please don't choke, by the way.
Or you can chew it. Chew it. It'll leave it.
I don't burn my lips even.
Dude, your mouth is gonna be bleeding.
Really?
Just don't choke in my house. That's really like all I ask.
Oh, the juices are hot too. It's hot.
Damn it.
Look
at his hair.
Still hot, probably.
It's still really hot.
Still party.
So what's going through your head right now, Zach? How do you feel?
Why am I doing this? I don't know. I think all the hot stuff's gone. Still crying though.
Look at his mouth. Alex, you have Fisher?
I don't actually. I'm sorry. My bad.